Super fast, we're going to start looking at how we're going to create our first ever marble material in Blender. So first we head up to here from layout over to our shading view. And I've got a circle set up here. So we're just going to come over into material and we're going to add a new material. And we're going to get a base color and we're going to give it one color. So often we're going to have like a dark and a light color overlapping with each other. So we're just going to do maybe a simple black and white marble. So we want just to pick a gray for our dark part, and then we want to get a roughness value, and we want to get a coat value because we want it to look sort of coated, like it's been polished a bit, and we can play with the roughness with that as well. Okay, so once we've got that, what we can do is we can just duplicate our principal shader. And if we drag that over into our surface, I just use Shift-D to duplicate, we can maybe bump it up to create a white. And then maybe give it a little bit of a tint. So maybe if we're going for like a yellowish marble, we can just tint our base color a little bit there. So that looks good. We could always check out in rendered view to see if our roughness values are where we want. So now where the magic happens is if we just add in here a converter and a mix node. I think no, we need a mix shader. Sorry, we go to shaders, mix shader, and we add in both to here, and now we've got this little input here, factor, and if we then add in a texture, if we add in any kind of texture, we can see that it's going to start working to create our marble. And now the pattern of the marble is going to be determined by the type of texture you use here. So if we used say a noise texture, it's going to be noisy. And then if we want to modify the intensity of how the two shaders, or the intensity by which each of these shaders is affected between our noise and our mix shader, we can just add in a color ramp. And then if we drag up with our color ramp, or drag down on there, we can see we're adjusting it, and we can add in a point for our mid level, and we can make a lot of quite fine adjustments to get where we want, so we can get pretty decent results pretty quickly. That has been how to create a marble shader in Blender. Super quick, super beginner friendly tutorial. Yeah, if you're not happy with any of if you're not happy with how it's rendering, just play around with the roughness values for the coat and the main roughness value for the material, and you will get to the point in the material where it's something that's right for your scene. Thank you for watching. Please comment and like and subscribe. Thanks.